Hello children, welcome to the computer class of 3rd standard. In the previous session, we have discussed about introduction of Microsoft Paint. Hope you all have understood the topic. So today we will continue the same lesson, that is lesson number 5, Fun with Microsoft Paint. So open page number 46 of your book. Children, in the previous class, we have already discussed Home tab and its different groups like Tools group, Shapes group and Colors group. So in this class, we will explore some more features of Paint program. Before starting the topic, let's discuss the important key terms. The first key term is rectangular selection, used to select rectangular part of drawing. Second, free form selection, used to select an irregular part of drawing. Next is select all, used to select full image. Undo, used to cancel last action. Redo, used to cancel last action done by undo. Now let's start with the first topic. How to modify a picture. Modify means to make changes. So children, to make various changes in your drawing, you have to use different commands that are present under the image group. Image group contains various commands such as to select, to resize and to crop the picture. We will discuss all these commands one by one. So today we are going to discuss how to select an image. Students, selection is an important activity in Paint program. To make changes to a picture, we need to first select it. We can select the whole or a part of an image using the select command which is present under the image group. There are two types of selections in the image group. First one is rectangular selection tool. Second is free form selection tool. Mark the IDs of rectangular selection tool and free form selection tool on your books. Now children, we will see the use of these selection tools practically. For that, let's start the Paint program. So here, number 1 is click on Start button. Next, click on All programs. Number 3, click on Accessories. And after that, click on Paint option. And you will see The paint window is open. Now, first of all, let's draw one shape. From the shapes group, choose any shape of your choice. Like here, I am going to choose a star. So click on star shape, come to drawing area and hold and drag your mouse. After making the shape, we will fill colors in it using fill with color tool. After that, choose color from the colors group. Like I have chosen red color. Now, inside the shape, click. So the color is filled inside the star. Now students, selection tools are present under the image group. So before the tools group, you can see image group is present. In the image group, select option is available. You will click on the drop down arrow of select option. Now you can see two types of selections are given. Click on rectangular selection tool. After that, come to drawing area and hold and drag your mouse. Like here, I have selected full star shape. When you will select the shape, you will see a dotted rectangular box will appear, which shows the selected part of your image. Now children, you can move or you can drag and drop the part of your drawing which you have selected from one place to another in the drawing area. Firstly, you have to select the drawing and then drag and drop it on the another part of the screen. Students, on page number 46, mark the steps to use rectangular selection tool. First is double click on paint icon on the desktop. You have to write this step on your book. Second step is click on the select tool option. Number 3, click on rectangular selection tool. And number 4 is hold and drag the mouse. Now let's see the use of freeform selection tool. Now children, second tool is freeform selection tool. It is used to select irregular part of drawing. Again, under the image group, click on select option and choose free form selection. Then after that, come to drawing area and start selecting the part of the image according to your own choice. Like here, I have selected half part of the star. When you will select irregular part of the drawing, you will notice only that part of the shape is selected. Like here, the rectangular dotted box appears only on the part of the image that I have selected. So children, in this way you can use two types of selections to select your drawing. Now the third option is select all option. Now again, under the image group, click on the drop down arrow of select option. Now below the freeform selection, you will see select all option is present. When you will click on the select all option, you will notice the full area, that is the full drawing area, is selected. Using select all option, you can select the full picture or the full image on the drawing area. Children, on page number 47, in the remember box, the use of two commands, that is undo and redo, is given. First of all, mark the identification of undo and redo command on your book. Then write shortcut keys on the box also. The shortcut key for undo command is Ctrl+Z, and the shortcut key for redo command is Ctrl+Y. Now let's see the use of these two commands practically. For performing the undo and redo command, first of all, let's change the color of this star. Like I am going to fill green color in it using fill with color tool. Now see, the color of the star is changed. But children, I want to cancel this action. That is, I want the red color back in the star. For that, you have to click on undo option. On the quick access toolbar, you can see undo option is present. A blue colored arrow is there which is pointing towards left side. When you will click on this arrow, you will see the color of the star is changed. That is, the action which we have performed right now is cancelled. The green color again changes to red by using undo option. Now next is redo option. On the quick access toolbar, next to undo option, redo button is there. When you will click on redo option, you will see the action done by undo will be cancelled. Again, green color will come in the star by using the redo option. So undo option cancel the last action performed by us, and the redo option cancels the action done by the undo command. Children, do practice of selecting the image in Paint program at your home also. We will continue this chapter in our next class. Till that, do reading of page number 46 and 47 of your book. Learn and write important key terms on your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.